healthy food. Healthy food helps to maintain or improve health. A healthy diet makes our bones and teeth strong. People who consume healthy food lead to healthy and active lifestyle. Diet, exercise, and sleep are the three pillars of healthy life. We can perform our best if we eat healthy. A healthy diet contains vitamins, carbohydrates, and fiber. Milk, vegetables, and fresh fruits are best example of healthy food. Healthy food makes our bones and teeth strong. Research says that students can learn better when they are well nourished. We should consume less sugar and salt. Health is wealth, so we should always try to eat healthy food and avoid junk food.